Welcome back for another SEI price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price target areas, give you the price action to expect in the next coming hours, and also discuss the trade setup that I have here on the SEI chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, SEI is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also seen a very nice break to the upper side of a trend line that I have here on the charts, where I can nicely connect these highs here on the charts, where you can see that on the 1 hour chart we have seen a break to the upper side of that trend line, giving us a retest, and there are high chances that now the retest is in and a success, and SEI can continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.17 mark, where we have a very significant high, and a break above the $0.17 mark with a successful retest. Then we can easily see SEI get above the $0.2 mark. SEI has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures and also the Fibonacci retracements, as I will be showing you, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 29th of August, we saw this massive pump giving us a high at around the $0.1717 mark, in a move that we can term as the formation of that wave 1 to the upper side. Then after seeing that high, we started a bit of a corrective structure in what we can term as the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and maybe in the next coming days or maybe months we can see SEI give us a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. And by first showing you that the second wave has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I get a minimum retracement area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized between the $0.1452 mark and the $0.13 mark. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and we can see a reaction of the target area and continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. So that is another move that I'm also keeping my eyes on, whether we are going to see a reaction of these. And if by any chance we continue seeing further breakdown on the SEI chart, losing the Fib level 0.88 and maybe give us a 100% retracement of this move that we saw over here, then that will be suggesting a more bearish scenario here on the SEI chart, suggesting that we might see one more new low before we can start gearing up and get impulsive here on the SEI chart. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.